Yeah, hello everyone. I've been well busy. I'm so tired. I'm sorry I haven't been giving any updates. But we were evolving the strategy, and I noticed some things that I was doing. I was going into the trade, even though the pattern was formed, and I was like had the harmonic pattern there. What I wasn't doing was learning about confluence and enforcing that in the strategy. Um, Needless to say that the trades didn't go well. Many of them, in fact, I think I had a 12 trade run and all of them went against me. And then I looked at the indicators that we came up with, which are these ones, and I was like, look, let's stop being stupid. Let's only go in when we're overbought or undersold, right? So between 80 and 100 or 0 and 20%. Okay. So this is the very first trade that I came up with since that conclusion. It's on the daily chart, so it is a bit boring. It's not going to appeal to everyone, but we don't want to lose money. We want to earn money and we want to grow money. So I got into this trade a few days ago because of where this indicator was, and because of the price action fluctuation. I wasn't necessarily taking into consideration the market structure as such. I was really only trading on the pattern and the indication. Although this pattern here is against me, the pattern obviously dropped down here, and this is where this bullish pattern starts to make a comeback and is already in full swing. Okay, now between here and here, normally on the Fibonacci ratios, the way it goes is, well, if it's broke one, it's going to continue to the next. Although I, for some reason, looked at this and thought it's not actually going to make it to the next one. This is already entered into the over bought section, and the RSI is already showing a little bit of a slowdown in buying. So I went in a few days ago, and I'm already in a profitable trade at the moment, £231, and there's a couple of reductions there because of the overnight holding on to the currency. Because I'm doing it on a daily trade and we're doing it over a period of days, every night, obviously it costs you to be in the trade. So I am hoping in a number of days, I'm looking at maybe up to a 2-week trade, we're going to see this come back down to somewhere here, where I'm going to get £3,200 profit. But I'll jump out anytime here, and I'm happy with £1,000 profit, and I'll get out there, because the risk to reward ratio is minus £203. So the risk is 200 quid. £1,000 is a 5-to-1 ratio, which is amazing. And they're the ones I'm more interested in, because even though they're slower and more boring, if there's more probability in this trade, then I would be up for that. The only thing that I've noticed, let me just move my boat race out of the way. There is no real, this move up here hasn't really been so detected here, because this is going down whilst this is going up. There's some kind of divergence there. And then we peak here, so that would have been not the ideal spot. It would have been this crossover here, which we would have already taken a run on there. Well, not a big one. Then it would have went up here is an okay trade down to there. It doesn't go all the way down. Yeah. So from here to here. Then this one's a bit of a bumpy ride here. You wouldn't have thought that this drop here would have been as a result of this little thing here, based on our trading strategy. So there's something else there, and at this point there's a pattern formed. So again, that there would have been an okay time to enter a trade if you got in there quick. But even any part of that, I still think there is still momentum, because this was such a force up that it continues up here. So we may have jumped into that. But the safer option, even though this is a bullish pattern, I'm looking for the reversal at some point around here because of where this is. Now we don't know if this is going to go up to here and then back down, but I do believe that it will come down, start to head down this way, which I'm trying to get into this trade, and I'm already in it, £241 up. So there's the update. Sorry I've not been around, just been very busy, but we'll talk soon. Alright, Rye, hope you're well.